light is out. Turn on a lamp. Ah, you kidding me? The knob is gone. Shoot. Okay, I'll just have to demonstrate it with the light on. Why is it starting up slowly? Whatever. Let's see if the speeds are confusing me. I'm assuming I noticed it was loose. Alright, this would be medium speed. Alright, so anyway, high speed. I don't feel like waiting for it to fully speed up. Oh gosh, it's dangerous. They didn't seem to mount it right. What if it wobbles? Is it wobbling actually? It don't look like it. Alright, let's see what... So it's not spinning fast right now. That's the really slow ceiling fan. We're at like a zoo-ish place part, so that's why there's like an antler. I love zoo places, like animal places. So I'm looking at the speed it is on. Now let's go to low. Alright, let's just take a so is this like the speed it's on? Alright, this is off. Alright, so this is I believe it's a Hunter something fan. I'll stop the blade, see if I can find any model. If I can find if it says the model anywhere. But whatever model this is, seem to have had a wearing out motor. I'll have to say. Peace out. So thanks for watching.